এখন আমি একে একে আমাদের স্পন্সরদেরকে অনার করার জন্য ডেকে নিচ্ছি। প্রথমেই ডাকছি মিস তাহমিনা ফেরদৌস, সিইও অফ হাংরি নাকি। Can we have Miss Tahmina Firdaus, CEO of Hungry Naki on the stage, please?
So it's great to be on campus. This is the first time I'm coming to United University campus. I was seeing the building coming up in the last 1 year, but it's great to see, a thriving campus with a good student body. It's always good to come back to any campus because I find it's a very energetic young crowd here. And I'm sure you've all heard a lot of things from the morning, going forward with different speakers, talking to you about what the future holds for Bangladesh, what the ICT industry is looking at, as well as what the talent requirement is by industry. One of the things I would like to highlight is if you look at Hungry Naki, which is a startup, it was a homegrown startup from Bangladesh, and it is going to go regional very soon. What we actually find, so what I actually find is that, and these startups or these new technology industries. We are in service industry, but at the back end of it, it's fully technology, right? Technology is enabling us to meet the customer's demands and requirement. We are a marketplace which allows communities of restaurants to thrive in the platform. And in the COVID, we ensured that this community and entrepreneurs continued their business despite the situation with COVID. And we have a community of riders who work with us to deliver to the customers. So from every aspect of it, we touch SMEs, we touch blue-collar workers who are our riders and who are the backbone of our business. And at the end of it, we also have a DNA of technology which is enabling this to deliver all over Bangladesh, right? And because we have a hunger for growth and we are growing at double digit, we also need good talent in our companies. And one of the things when I am interviewing across teams, across departments, is I find that, guys, everybody wants to come to the new technologies and startups, so they're very interested, but I don't find them organized or disciplined. I think this is something, if you want to take on, so what do I mean by discipline or organized? If you're coming to an interview, try to understand which industry this is, what the company is doing or what they're doing, whatever you can get from online and newspapers, what the role is, and why you think you're a good fit for that role. And obviously, I think what's happened is I've seen in the last couple of years, most of third year, fourth year, even university students, you're interested to do part-time freelancing to just understand what the corporate world is, right? And what is out there. So I think if you're looking to get into the job market, fully onto the job market, before you enter the job market, do explore. Do part-time, do freelancing, find out what there is, and this gives you an exposure and an experience which helps you in the long run. So, and always be curious and have appetite for learning, as Sir mentioned. I think what we see is people who have an appetite for growth are curious by nature. They want to understand why things are working the way they are. Can there be scope for improvement? So they learn on the way. They make changes for the company and for the department, and they make an impact. And they're the change makers who go on to larger, portfolios and roles. So I think that curiosity should always be there, questioning the status quo if it needs to be, questioned. And another is hard work. So I don't think there's any substitute for hard work. In the startup industry, a lot of people say we hack our way. I don't believe in such things. These are jargons that are said. Anything, whether it be the technology company, whether you're working for FMCG, whether you're working for pharmacy, any industry that you go to, you have to put that effort. Unless you put that effort, try to understand the industry and the hard work, you will not survive. It's simple as that. So there is no substitute or shortcut to hard work. So I think that's about it from my end, and I wish you all the best for your future.